Hi, Amber. Thank you for sharing your work with me this week. I really enjoyed reading your lesson plan. Um, it made me feel like, of course, I already knew you were an amazing teacher and you really want to take the time to have your students connect to what they're learning and have them care about it instead of just feel like they have to do it. And I could see that in the way you said you asked the student which purpose they would like to use, and also that you had the student choose a format of writing. And this really shows that you want them to be engaged and you want them to enjoy what they're doing. And I appreciate that you gave them that choice. Um, and I also really enjoyed how you came up with this idea to have them create a video since you knew they like to act. That's playing on their interests, that's allowing them to be creative and do something that writing typically does not lead to. However, it is a real world experience. And I think that that was really creative and I appreciated that. And I thought that it was a good idea to have the student do that, and I'm glad it helped in this experience, and hopefully it helps again in the future. So thank you for your awesome work, and I hope it continues to go well with this student.